Welcome to Manas Tutor, your trusted learning partner.
Students, today is day number 3 of PYQ series of complete math for your half yearly exam 2025-26. Today we cover all the previous year questions of chapter decimal. So let's start the session. These are the syllabus for your exam which held on 15 September 2025. So today we cover all the decimal questions, okay, which carry 5 marks. Already completed fractional number and the temperature. From the fractional number you get the 8 to 10 mark in exam, and the temperature 3 to 4 mark. If you see the only 2 video, you can get the 8 plus 3, that is 11 to 12 mark. Okay, so let's start the session. First question. So tell me the start form. Okay, so 20 plus 2 means we can write 22. Yes or no? After that, point 0 because 10th and the 9. So answer is 22.09. Option number 2. Clear? Next question. 385 divided by 100. How to write? This is the PA2 2024-25 Odisha zone question paper. Okay, how to solve? Now this type of questions, first of all check how many zeros are there. Then there are the 2 zeros are there. If the 2 zeros are there, simply first write down the number, that is 385. Means you put the decimal after 2 digit, that is 1 digit, 2 digit, then decimal. Clear? If suppose the question is 38 divided by 100, same, simply write down the question, write down the number, that is 38. Now how many 0? Now 2 0. So 1, 2, then decimal. Okay, and here you can put the 0. Suppose the question is 1 by 100. Now same, write the number, that is the 1. Okay, how many 0? Now 2 0, means 1, then another digit, then after that decimal. Okay, so answer is 0.01, or you can write 0.01. Understand? Next question. Write the following decimal or the like decimal. First of all, understand what is like decimal. Now like decimal means after decimal the digit are same, are called the like decimal. Suppose this is the example 2.32, 1.21, 213.12. These are the like decimal because after decimal there are the 2 digits are there. That's why they are the like decimal. Understand? Now first of all we convert into like decimal. Okay, so first write down 218.900 because here is the highest, after decimal is 3 digit, that's why here is 9, then after that nothing, that's why I put the 0. Again the second one is 281.890, 228.07, then 10, then 281.019, after that 281.620, 218.110. Understand? Now write the ascending order. So write down, arrange in this descending order. That is first to write the biggest number 218. Okay, 281. Here is 281. Same here also 281. Now we check the decimal part. Here is 800 something, means 890. So biggest is this one. So first we write down 281.890, not 890. Okay, because after decimal we read the digit, that is the 890, comma. Now next one is 281.620, after that 281.019, then 228.070, then 218 0.900. After that 218.110. Next question, the place value. Okay, the place value means, suppose the asking the question, the place value of the 3, that is the 30, because after 3 there the only 1 digits are there. If the question asks what is the place value of the 2, same, only 2, because 2 is the ones place, here is the tens place. That's why we multiply the place with that digit. 3 into tens, that is 30. Okay. Similarly, 7 place value is 7 by 10, or you can write 7 tenth. th. Clear? So answer is, the place value of the 9 is 100th. Okay. Next, the decimal form of 8 whole 64 by 100. This type question is very important. How to solve? Now simply write down the fraction into decimal. Okay, how to? Now 64 by 100 we can write 0.64, and here is 8, simply addition, or 8.64. Okay, suppose the question is 7 whole 1 by 100, how to write? Simply write this part into the decimal, that is the 0.01. Yes or no? Because 20 means after a digit the decimal. Yes or no? That's why write down the left side, that is the 7. Suppose the question is 223 by 10. 3 by 10. How to write? Same, 2 after that point, then 3. Clear? Next, 600 plus 9 plus same 609. So check out, the option is first option and the second option, third option, last option. Now the 300th, that is the missing is 3/10th. So 10th place is 0. So option number A is the correct answer, because here 10th place is 3. So IV is the wrong. So the correct answer is option number I. Understand? Next question. Arrange the following in the ascending order. Okay, ascending order means small to big. So first we write the small. Here is all are the 9. Okay, now we check the 10th position, that is the 0. Here is 4, 1, 0. That the 2 zeros are there. So first we check these 2. Now we check the 100th position, that is the 4. Here is 100th position is 1. So this one is the smallest. So write down 9.014. Then 9.041, after that 9.140, then 9.401. Next question. In this number, what is the digit in the 10th position? 10th position means after decimal, which digit? That is the 6. If the question asks what is the 1000 position or 1000 place, answer is 3. Okay. If the question asks what is the 100 position, so 100 position is 2. Tens, that is 8, and 7 is ones, 6 is 10th, here is the 100th, and the 3 is the thousands. Okay. th. Next, the smallest decimal number amongst the following smallest. Okay, so first we check the whole part. All the whole part are 0. Now we go to the 10th position, that is the 0. Here is also 0, 0. Here is 1. Get the bigger, so cancel, because we need to find the smallest. Now here check the 0. Second one is 1, so cancel. Here the second one is 0. Okay. And third one is 1, so bigger, cancel. The third one is 0. So option number C is the correct answer. All of you understand? Next question. The decimal form of the 60 and 100th. 60 means we can write 60. Okay. And the 100 means 1 by 100. Now 1 by 100 we can write 0.01. That the 60.01. Option number C is the correct answer. Okay, because 100 position is 1. Where is the 100 position is 1? This option and this option. But here is only the 6 is there. That's why B is cancelled. Understand? Next question. 0.9. Then use the less than, greater than, and the equal 0.10. Okay. Now first we check the number, that is the 0, and here is 0. Okay, by whole part. Now the decimal part is 9, here is 1. So which one is greater? The first one, so greater than. Next, write the decimal, simply write down how many 0? 1, 2, 3 means first we write the number, then after 3 digit, then we put the decimal. Here is already 2 digit, means we put the 0, then becomes the 3 digit. Now we put the decimal. Understand? Now write the number names. Okay, how to write? We can write 15 and 8,000, or you can write 15.008. Okay, next question. Write the decimal form 32 and the 54,000. Okay, 32 means we can write down 32. Okay, after that we put the decimal. Now 54,000. 54,000 means 54 divided by 1000. Any doubt? Now convert into decimal. That is the 0.054, because 3 digit 30 means after decimal 3 digit. Already 2 digit is given. We put the 10, then it becomes the 3 digit. Yes or no? Now write down 0.054. Any doubt? Next question. What is the smallest decimal? This is the repeat question. Option number 3, that is the 0.001. Next question. This is the 2019 and 20 paper, DAV Public School, Odisha Zone 1, half yearly question paper. Arrange in the ascending order. Ascending order means first we write the smallest one. Okay, here is 6. Okay, all are the 6 because the whole part is 6. Now we check the 10th position, that is the 0, 5. Here is 0. Now again we check the 100th position, that is the 3. Here is 0. The small one is 6.005. So first we write 6.005. After that we write down 6.035. Any issue? Now we write 6.359, because here is the 10th position is 5. Here the 10th position is 3. So 3 is the smaller. So that's why you write down the 6.359. After that 6.530, or you can write 53. Okay. Next. In this number, write the digit at the 10th position. 10th position means after decimal, that is the 1. So answer is 1. What is the place of the 9? 9 is thousand. THOUSANDTH. Okay. Next. What is the expanded form? In 2 ways. Okay. So first we can write 100 plus 8 plus 4 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. Yes or no? Now we can write 1 HUNDRED 100 plus 8 ones plus 4 tenth plus 0 100, or direct write down 3 thousands. Okay, this is the 2 way. Next question. Question number B. The place value of 7. The place value 7 is 10th. Okay. Next question. The decimal form of 740. That is the 740. Sorry, 49. That is 749. Now we put the decimal. 800 means we can write 8 by 100. That is 0.08. That is the only 08. Clear? So answer is 749.08. Next, the decimal form, how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means after 4 decimal, so 4 digit we put the decimal, that is 205. So the only 3 digit. Now put the 10, it becomes 4 digit. Now put the decimal. So option number 2 is the correct answer. Understand? Next question. Write this in expanded in 2 ways. Same. You can write. That is the first. We can write 3 into 10, 8 into 1, 5 into 1 by 10, 7 into 1 by 100, plus 2 into 1 by 1000. Any doubt? Or you can write 30 plus 8 plus 5 by 10 plus 7 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. Or you can write 3 tens plus 8 ones plus 5 tenths plus 7 hundredths now plus 2000. Understand? Next question. Write the smallest decimal number formed by using this digit. Okay, so how solve? Now this is the 2018 and 19 paper. Okay, so how to write smallest? That is the 0.018. Yes or no? This is the smallest. If you write 0.108, or you can write 0.81, or you can write 8.10, or you can write 180. Means which one is smallest? If the 10th position is 0, now the 100 position is 1, then 1000 position is 8, then this is the become the smallest number. That's why the answer is this. If the question asks write the greatest decimal number, then we can write decimal first greatest digit, then 1, then 0. So answer is 0.810. Understand? Next. Or simply you can write here 810, because 810 is after number is decimal. Actually this one is the greatest. This one the greatest, this one the smallest. Okay, next. This is not the greatest. Sorry. Next. Write the expanded form in 2 different ways. Already solved. This is homework, or comment your answer. Next. Change the following to like decimal. Yes, already we solved. First we write down 4.8. How many 0? 2 0, because maximum decimal is 3 digits. That's why becomes 3 digit means 00. Here is 10, here is 00, here is 10. Now converted. Okay. Arrange the following decimal in the descending order. Descending means first we write the biggest. So biggest is 576, 67, 76. Okay. Which one is greatest? Here first we write this number. Here is the second. Here is the third. 600, 6738. This is the third, and here is the fourth. Clear? Next. Decimal form, that is the 17 point. How many 0? 30 means 20, then 1. Now after decimal 3 digit. Yes or no? So answer is 17.001. This is false. Next. Decimal with the same decimal place are known as the like decimal. So answer is like. This is the 2018 and 19 Bhubaneswar DAV Public School term 1 paper. Okay. Next. Arrange the following the descending. So first we write the biggest. So 903. Okay. Here is also 903. 903. Now we check the 10th position. 5, 7. Here is 5. Which one is greater? This one is. So this is the first. Second one is this. Here is the third one. Then this is the fourth one. Okay. Next, the decimal form same. First we write 7, then decimal 005, because 30 means after decimal 3 digit. Here is already 1 digit is given, that's why you put the 20. Next, the place value of 8 in this, 8 means 100th. Next, write this in expanded in 2 way, already completed. This is the homework. I hope all of you done. The place value of 8, 8 means 100, HUNDREDTH, because after decimal this is the TH. This is the 10th, here is also 100th, then the 1000. Next, the place value of 6, the 6 is 10th, so answer is 10th. Means in the place value is very very important, okay, 10th. Now next, 25, this type question be very very important. 25.005. Next question, arrange. You can see one arrange question, either ascending or the descending. So first we write down the biggest. The biggest is, here is 310, here is also 310. Now the 10th position is 8, here is 10th position is 0. Which one is bigger? Now this one is bigger. This is the first, this is the second, and here is the third and the fourth. Next, now completed all the previous year questions. Okay, if you want to see the fractional number and the temperature chapter, then you can see the, go to the playlist, or you can click on the I button. Okay, you can solve. After that we solve next chapter, that is the addition and the subtraction of the decimal number. Okay, complete in one shot. If you like this session, then you can subscribe my channel for more contents. All the best for your exam. Thank you.